the cloudy, so.
I nicked the side of my leg shaving.
Did it?
I did. Down there where I cracked the bones, they're not smooth. I caught it on the bone and scraped the skin right above it.
When I upload it, I can also kill the audio on it. So.
I don't think it has audio.
Don't it? And get some good footage. I'm going to have to shut this off in a sec, because this is a conductor. So.
Yes, we don't want crispy Tims.
Not really. I'll go for another 10 seconds and then we'll be good. Whoa, that was a good one. This can actually film for 10 minutes.